blog kind of as a solution to a question, which is I think what we all still do every day when we're creating content. It's like, what's the problem that people are looking for, and what is the solution that hopefully my content's providing? So I did a reality show, and it aired in August of 2011 on Bravo, and about, I think it was like 2 months before, Amber had started Reward Style. They were working out of Mockingbird Station, out of like their apartment, and she was like, you need to be monetizing what you're wearing on the show. And I was like, I don't know what that means. So we started a Tumblr account, and she would like link the outfit. Like, so we literally would play the episode and pause it on like like they sent me like DVDs. This is like how old this was. We would pause it, she would take a picture with her digital camera, and then we would upload it to Tumblr of the outfit grabs from the scenes, and then she would tag them. And so that's kind of how it started. And then after the season ended, which was in October, the Tumblr account was getting so much traffic that I was like, well, I guess I'm a blogger now. So I kept doing that. At the time I was working retail, which is what I'd been doing for the 15 years prior to that, anywhere from like Neiman's to Madewell to Calypso, which rest in peace is now gone under. But so had lots of experience in retail. So selling was always kind of in my just DNA. It was